Hello, thank you for joining me today in Bloom's Kitchen. We are going to be making a Canadian inspired dish. We are making baked scalloped potatoes with ham. If you want to see how I'm going to do this, keep watching. Don't forget to show your support. Click on the like, share this with your friend, and if you haven't subscribed, this will be a fantastic time to do so. I'll be right back and we'll get straight to the ingredients. Thank you. Welcome back. So I'll have a list of the ingredients in the description box. So if you click below where you have the title, you'll see a list there. So for our baked scallop potato and ham, I'm going to use salt to taste, black pepper to taste, cayenne pepper to your taste. Feel free to add whatever pepper you want, scotch bonnet, chili, anything, it's fine. And here I have 4 cloves of garlic that has been chopped, ginger, 2 tablespoons of chicken stock powder, some green onions. You can also use leek or again whatever you want to add. And here I have cooked ham, and this is just what it looks like. So I just chopped off half of it, just slice, and then go with whatever shape you want. So this is about 4 to 5 cups. And then I have cheese here. Cheese is optional, you can leave it out or add it. Here is 1 cup of cheddar and mozzarella, and here I'm going to add half a cup of mozzarella as well. And then I have half cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of butter. Here I have panko breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs are optional, I just like to add that for texture. And here I have 1 large sweet onions that has been diced. And here I have 10 potatoes. These are the red Russet potatoes, and I just slice this thinly and then I let it sit in cold water. And here I have 4 cups of milk. We are going to be baking in a glass baking dish. We'll grease it first. We are baking at 350 for 35 to 45 minutes, and then we'll broil to give it some color at the end. So we're going to go right now to make the sauce, and then we'll be back here to assemble it together for baking. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. There we have it. Our beautiful dish is ready. So I baked for 45 minutes at 350 and I didn't need to broil it at all. So you can see that it's a beautiful, nice golden brown. Now you can wait for, I'll say 10-15 minutes before you cut into this. But I'm just going to go ahead now and cut it and see. It looks so yummy and it smells amazing. So we're just going to dig in here and see. So the potatoes are soft. So you want to wait for this to set for a few minutes. But I'm so hungry, I can't wait. Okay, so I'm just gonna scoop this out. Look at that yumminess there. I think I'll get a spoon instead. So as you can see, it's going to need time to set. As it cools down, then the sauce is going to get thicker. I'm just going to try the potato here. Just want to make sure it's tender enough. That is so good. And then the crust gives it a very good texture. So give this a try. You can even add things like bacon, chicken, smoked turkey, smoked salmon. So whatever you want, you can add to it. Give this a try. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Until next time when I bring you another exciting dish, have a blessed and wonderful day. Thank you.